Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to this channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from makeup to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to double tap on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos and join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. I'm not gonna say that I'm not gonna buy any more eyeshadow palettes ever, but for 2019 I am going to try extremely hard to not purchase any eyeshadow palettes because in my opinion I have enough. Also, you're gonna get this eyeshadow look all from the same palette. After purchasing this Revolution palette, I literally feel like I have every color known to man. Or if not, I can probably mix a couple of these together to make the color that I want. So this is very reminiscent of the e.l.f. 144 palette, and I finally tossed that one out. So now I do have this one in its place, and I feel like I have hit the peak of my eyeshadow palette purchases. So without further ado, I'm gonna give you a quick review on this. Basically, I feel like this is a great palette for anybody. It's not travel friendly, and some of the colors are chalky, which are like these. They come off chalky on me because of my skin tone. They may work better for some of my beige babies, but overall I think this is a great palette for all skin tones and all skin hues, and I just feel like it's a great palette overall, and I got it around Christmas time and I'm just not getting to review it, but I believe it's on their website and it was around $17 or so, but it may be even cheaper now. I'm going to swatch a couple of these and match them up with the palettes I have here. These guys are all the eyeshadow palettes I own. It doesn't seem, to some people that are beauty junkies, it's not a lot, but to people that are not beauty junkies, it's probably a lot. To me, I feel like it's excessive and I need to do better. This is a newer palette that one of my girlfriends gave me. Hey Nicole girl, thanks girl. This is a Party Animal Laura Lee palette. But as you can see, this has very bright, this is more of a springy palette in it. Let's swatch these oranges. I'm gonna swatch them in my hand. Here's an orange, you can see that, Sugar Pill. And here's Laura Lee's palette, orange. More of a cool, more of a warm, but still I feel like they could give you the same look, those two oranges. So that's the similarity of these two palettes. The copper matches well with that middle section here in this palette. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's see, let me wipe my hand off. Alright, so this is one of my go-to. Anytime I see a palette with this kind of copper color in it, I just die. So this is a copper popper color. This is the It's Judy Tom Pixie collab. It has that same copper color. They may be a little bit darker, but sis, it's very similar brown family that I like. And let me show you another one. Which one is it? The Morphe 350 has that similar copperish color. Let's just swatch one of them right here, if y'all can see those. So this is the Morphe 350, the Judy palette, and then the other Morphe Copper Popper. Those are literally all in the same family. And then I'm gonna show you one from this palette. Let's see. There's like a copper down here. I'm gonna show you guys. So that's the copper from this palette. You can see it. See how they're kind of similar on my finger there. And then I'm gonna do that one down here. That one really, look at that pigmentation. Can y'all see that? Sorry, let me flick you up. That pigmentation is from this other palette. So see how all these colors are so similar? It's like, sis, why are you buying the palette with all the same colors? I don't know. Call me cuckoo. All right, so those are all my kind of orangey palettes. Also, I have this Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this palette. I highly recommend this palette. But again, it has the same warm tones over here, and then it has those colors, that purple and blue, which I love, over here, and green. And this is so similar to this side. See, look at that, y'all. Look, those top 4 over here on this side match with these blues and pool looking colors, aqua colors over here in this corner. I mean, this palette comparison I want to show you guys, just to keep this video super short, is this is the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic. Clearly I like a lot of Jaclyn Hill palettes. This is the Dark Magic palette, and I love this power cut color right here. It's like a deep, almost teal blue kind of color, as you can tell. Look at my nails. But that totally matches this color. Then I'll show you guys how I blended it together. I just blended this blue and this big palette, the blue right here with black, and I got a color very similar to this. So it's like, why are you out here buying all these palettes when you can just buy an all-in-one, or maybe 2 palettes that have, you know, very different colors, so you're not out here buying 15 of the same palettes that have all the same colors. I will continue to show you guys eyeshadow tutorials as I can think of something new to share with you guys, but I am going to try my hardest not to purchase any new palettes. I wanted to show you guys this video just to show you the new Revolution palette that I have, and how all of my shadow colors are kind of similar, and just to encourage you guys to go into your stash and check it out before you buy a new palette to see if you see any patterns or whatever. Anyways, let me get on to this eyeshadow look. Alright guys, for time's sake, this is going to be super sped up, but I will leave all the products in the description box. But I'm starting off with a primer by Kokie Cosmetics, and then I'm going in with the Nars Amande Pot Concealer to kind of even out the tone of my eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with the 2 lightest shimmery colors. I'm going to blend these 2 colors together to get the color that I like. So I'm blending those 2 together, and I'm using a round brush to pat that just on the lid portion of my eye and try not to go up any higher than that. And I'm just packing back in. Next, I'm going in with my transition, kind of a brick red color, and I'm going to take that with a blending brush and blend out the top portion of that lid color, and I'm going to keep windshield wiper motion, that's hard to say, back and forth. And now I'm going in with this kind of deep teal color, and then I'm going to go right over in between that transition color and the lid color, so it'll have that gradient effect once it's all said and done, honey. And I'm going to sweep that in just a little bit. You'll see it right here. I'm going to sweep it in just a little to kind of deepen up that outer V area. And now I'm going to go on top of that with a black to deepen up that teal. You know what I'm saying? And just pack that in there, and then kind of just do a tap, making a V right there on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm just going to keep kind of going back and forth. And then I'm going to use that same transition color. I grabbed a little bit more to blend out the top of the eye. And I'm going in with my favorite under eye pencil by NYC, I believe. And carving out for when I do my eyebrows, which I'm not going to do on camera. But I'm going in with that kind of peachy color to blend out that eye pencil. Then it makes my brows look like I just got them done. Just a little quick tip, if you don't have time to do pluck your eyebrows, just put a light color up under there, girl, and it's an amazing makeup illusion. And I use that as well to blend out the top portion of the eyeshadow color, and it kind of just brings all the colors together. I'm going to go back in with more of those 2 light shimmery colors just to kind of intensify that lid color, and I'm going to go in with the liner, and that's it, sis. Oh, just kidding. I'm going to tap a little more of that black on there because I really like a dark eye. You know what I'm saying? It looks really good, real sultry. You know what I'm saying? And y'all, crazy thing, there's not any fallout really from these shadows. So Revolution, y'all did that. Now it's eyeliner time. All right, and that's it. Catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in 2019. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.